Think you're a mental math whiz? We'll see in this rapid-fire challenge. Ready to crunch some numbers? Out of these, how many can you nail without a single slip-up? Let's warm up those brain cells. What's 8 plus 0? Eight. If you hesitated, you're just getting started. Next up, a classic, 4 plus 7. $11. Simple addition, but crucial for building speed. Time to level up. What's 10 times 10? A perfect square. That's why the answer is 100. Hang on, the next one is sneaky. This one trips a lot of people. What's 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9? Many jump to 81 or 27, but the real answer is 729. One more after this, and it's not the easiest. Final question. This one's a brain twister from the impossible level. What is 1,000 divided by 5 multiplied by 5? Not 1,000, not 200. The true answer is 40. Bet you didn't see that one coming. Time for some quick subtraction. What is 9 minus 4? It's 5, a fundamental operation you master with ease. Stepping it up a notch. What's 6 multiplied by 4? Many might rush, but it's 24. Basic multiplication, but essential for bigger sums. Don't blink. What's the result of 99 minus 11? $88. If you got that without a pause, you're on fire. Can you double that number mentally? What's 88 plus 88? That's 176. Doubling numbers is a speed trick for mental math pros. Final question for this round. A true brain twister. What is 50 times 2 minus 25 times 4? Not 100, not 50. The answer is 0, a classic setup where two equal products cancel each other out. Time for division. Can you tell me, what is 40 divided by 4? Many fall for 4 or even 1, but the real answer is 10. Simple division, but stay sharp. Let's level up a bit. What's 11 multiplied by 11? It's 121. Fun fact, 11 squared is 121, and you can easily remember it by putting the sum of the digits, 1 plus 1 to 2, between the digits, 1 and 1. Halfway through this batch, what's the result of 500 minus 250? $250. If you got that one right, your mental subtraction is on point. That's a classic half calculation. Next up, let's challenge your addition skills. What is 78 plus 69? Think about it like this. 70 plus 60 is a 130, and 8 plus 9 is 17. Add them up, and you get a 147. Alright, final question for this round. Can you calculate 18 plus 9 squared? Don't fall for the trap of adding first. 9 squared is 81, so 18 plus 81 makes 99. A tricky one, but you nailed it. Time to test your mid-range skills. What's 9 plus 9? (18), a classic and a building block for more complex sums. Let's speed things up a bit. What's 7 times 3? Many get caught with 10 for the addition, but it's 21. Keep those times tables sharp. Can you handle a division? What is 100 divided by 5? Not 10, not 50, and certainly not 25. The correct answer is 20. If you got that, you're on a roll. Getting tougher now. What's 64 minus 27? (37). If you landed on 47, you forgot to borrow. This one needed a bit more focus. Here's a real brain teaser. What is 50 plus 6 multiplied by 5? Always remember your order of operations. 6 times 5 is 30, then add 50 for a total of 80. Ready for a classic? What is 9 multiplied by 9? (81). If you were quick, your mental math is definitely in the zone. Time to scale up for this one. What's 100 times 100? (10,000). This type of multiplication is essential for larger sums, making it more challenging than it initially seems. Here's a tricky one with order of operations. What's 60 divided by 3 multiplied by 2? A lot of people go with 40, a classic trap of misinterpreting the order of operations. But it's 10, because the product of 3 and 2 must be calculated first. Nearing the end now. What's 120 minus 37? (83). If you nailed that one, your mental subtraction is on point. One more question after this, and it's not the easiest. Final question. Everything decides here. What's 10 multiplied by 5 minus 25 multiplied by 0? Not 50, which is the mathematically expected answer. Not 25 or 75 either. The video's specific joke points to 0. This was the ultimate curveball. Next up, a simple one to keep your brain buzzing. What's 10 minus 0? (10). It's one of those operations that often seems too easy to be true, right? Time for a multiplication test. Can you tell me what 6 multiplied by 1 equals? 6. If you pick that one, your mental math is definitely on track. Feeling sharp? Let's try this classic. What's 5 multiplied by 5? A lot of people go with 10. Classic trap for the unwary. But it's 25. Hope you didn't fall for it. Here's one that requires a quick mental jump. What do you get when you add 22 and 8? (30). That perfect round number just feels right, doesn't it? On to the next brain teaser. Nah, alright. Final question for this round. Can you figure out 88 divided by 8? Not 8, not 10 either. The answer is 11. If you nailed that, you're sharp. Ready for the next one? What is 7 multiplied by 1? 7. And that's the identity property of multiplication in action. Simple, right? Next up, a quick subtraction. What do you get from 5 minus 5? 0. If you got that, your mental gears are turning smoothly. Let's push it a bit further. What is 12 plus 15? Not 25, that's 10 plus 15. The answer is 27. Did you get it right? Time for another quick one. What is 18 minus 9? A lot of people go with 8. Classic trap. The real answer is 9. Watch out for those small traps. Final question for this round. Can you tell me what 7 times 8 is? Did you know that 7 and 8 are consecutive numbers and their product 56 is often used in math challenges? Yep, 56. Alright, stay sharp. What's the result of 30 minus 18? The answer is 12. If you got that, your mental gears are truly turning. Next up, division. What's 72 divided by 8? Many might jump to 8 or 7, but the real answer is 9. Were you quick enough? Time for some multiplication. Can you solve 13 times 3? $39. If you were thinking 36, you were a hair off. This quiz is getting serious. Here's a quick one. What's 90 divided by 9? Knowing your multiples helps here. The answer is 10. That was a free point, right? Don't get tricked by the order of operations. What's 7 multiplied by 4, then minus 5? It's not 20 nor 21. The correct answer is 23. Did you remember to multiply first? Another sum to test your speed. What is 25 plus 36? $61. Did you add the tens, then the units, or straight up? Either way, you got it. Time for a quick combo. Can you handle 7 multiplied by 7, then minus 25? Many might go for 49, but the real answer is 24. Did you remember the subtraction? This next one needs your focus. What is 3 multiplied by 6, then add 9? 27. If you were close with 24, you almost nailed the final step. Ready for an exponent? Take 8 squared, then divide that by 4. Not 8, not 32 either, but 16. Exponents first, then division. Final question. This one is for the true math whizzes. What is 9 to the power of 4? 6,561. If you got this, you're a true genius. That's 9 multiplied by itself 4 times. Next up, a series of multiplications. Can you chain them? What is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2? 16. Each multiplication doubles the previous result. Simple, right? Things are getting interesting now. Ready for 50 times 6 minus 6? $294. If you got 300, you missed the final subtraction. Keep an eye on those details. This one requires precision. What's 18 divided by 3 multiplied by 4 then minus 2? The answer is 22. The key here is to go left to right for multiplication and division. If you did 3 or 4 first, that's a classic slip-up. Back to pure multiplication. Try this one. 7 times 7, then times 2. Fast. 98. If you got 49, you stopped too soon. Don't leave any part of the calculation behind. The ultimate test. This is where champions are made. 15 squared minus 25 times 4. Go! A lot of people skip the square or mix up the order. Not 100, not 25. The answer is 125. Did you make it to the top? You've crushed these calculations. Share your score and challenge your friends to beat it.